Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, I will show you how to install the code blocks on Mac OS X Catalina. After that, I will show you the create and run a simple C++ program in this IDE. Whole process is very easy. Let's get it started. First of all, copy this download link from the description box and open your browser. Go to the address bar, paste it and hit enter. This is the sourceforge.net website download link, and finally we have to click here on this green download button. Within 5 seconds your downloading will start. File size is less than 20 MB, so this will not take much time, and this is in form of .dmg file. Okay, it's downloaded. Now we are going to install it. So my downloaded file right here in this folder. Okay, here we go. Just do the double click on this DMG file to launch, and within 10 seconds this screen will appear. So this is the way the code blocks will be installed inside the applications folder. So just put the mouse cursor right here, just drag this icon here on this applications folder. Once you do that, this applications folder will appear, and there will be a progress bar that will appear, so which will copy all the content inside, and this kind of copying progress bar will appear, and which is copying the code blocks folder inside the applications folder. That's it. So code blocks is installed. Now we will launch it. Just do the double click on it, and now you will see such message from the Apple because this is not from a trusted developer, so this is showing a security warning. To fix this, go to here on this Apple icon, select system preferences, and here system preferences window will appear. Now we have to go here on the security and privacy. Just do the double click on this icon, and this window will appear. Now we have to unlock to enter inside. This will ask you for admin password. Please provide the admin password in this box and click unlock. Okay, now on the right hand side we will click on this cancel button on this pop-up. Immediately we will see one information will appear at this place. Code blocks was blocked from use because it was not from an identified developer, that's why. Okay, now we have to click open anyway. Again we will get this pop-up box. This wants confirmation, you want to open, click open. That's it, it's done. Now on the back side you can see the splash screen from code blocks appeared. This is loading first time, so it will take a few more seconds. After that we will see the very first screen, the home IDE page. Okay, this is the home. Now going back to here, agenda file. So we have done our first step. Now I will show you to create and run C++ program in this IDE. Okay, here we go. So this is the IDE, left side workspace. Now what we have to do, go here on this file menu item, click, go to the new, then select the project, click on this option, and this new template window will appear. Here we have a lots of project templates: Arduino, D application, Fortran library, console applications, Qt projects, and many more. We have also a Java application template as well. But for this C and C++, we have to select the console applications. Also we have these options to categorize the templates. category, so we will select console. So here are the console's applications template. So we have to select console applications. Click on the go. We will see this screen. Now click next. This is for the selection that you want to create a C project or C++ project. So first we will create C project. Click next. This window. Here we have to provide the project title, so or you can say project name. So this is my first C project, and the second is automatically filled. This is for the project creation location. You can change it. By default this is selected. I have used previously, that's why. And click on here on this browse button. So you have a choice. You can change the location where you want to create the project folder. You can create your workspace as well. After that, this is the project file name. That means we are working here in the code block. So code block saving the whole project that we are creating in the CBP file extension, and resulting file name that will be saved here in this first C project folder that we have created. Click next, and then this will show you the compiler, which is default selected and detected. I want to tell you one thing. If you have Xcode installed, then you will see this GNU GCC compiler. You can verify, open the Spotlight search and just type, then you will see Xcode is there. Okay, so we can use GNU GCC compiler because we have already installed Xcode. And leave all the things as it is. All these directories will be created in the project folder. That's it. On the left hand side you will see your project created. Expand the sources. Now click on this main.c file. So here is a basic C program pre-written. One print statement, one written. That's it. And you can set the font by pressing the command and mouse scroll up and down. So you can set the resize as well with this key combination. So I'm doing a bit change in printf hello cool IT help and just saved it. Now we will do compile this file. So here's the gear icon to build this project, or the green icon is for run the project. Also we have the menu, so we can go here and select the build, and there's a shortcut key combination as well. Build, compile and run, and single build and run for F9. So we have just built the this simple C project. That's it. We will have this kind of output without any error. Now we can run it. Click on this run option, and you will see this console window, but you will get such kind of error because this is the actual command that is going to run the compiled C file. Okay, because we are getting this command inside the single quotes, so this bash is not able to understand it. Okay, now we have to do minor change. Go to the menu on the settings, click on this environment. Okay, just come downside, and here inside this terminal to launch console program, this is the actual script that is doing the activity. So we have to do a small change right here. So quoted form of, we have to remove this statement that is putting single quotes for that command. That's it. Click OK. Now this is fixed. Now we can easily run it. Go to the build, click on this run, and see it. We got the output hello cool IT help. So guys, this is the way you can create the C project in code blocks. This is very straightforward way to run the C program. Now I will show you how to create C++ program. This is very similar as we have done for the C. So I have noted down one C program for saving the time. So I will copy this program first. So I am using some C++ specific statements in this program. Now going back to the code blocks, same way we will create a project, but now we will select C++ as a language. Go to the file menu, click new project, and in this project template select console application, click go, click next. Yes, this select C++. Give the name of your C++ project. Click next, finish, and you will see your C++ project set up on the left hand side. Now you can click on this main.cpp. You will also get the pre-template with a small statements. Now I pasted my code, that is a specific C++ statement. We will do a build for that. Okay guys, now build successful. You can see the console. Now we will run this in the same way, and you will see we got the terminal window, and this is asking for the integer, so the program is receiving one integer and printing that number. This program is executed successfully. So guys, these are the way you can write your C program and C++ program, then you can compile and run it inside the code block. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Please like this tutorial, or guys subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.